Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Minigtxnaraya Porsche Taycan Turbo S. And as you can see, yeah, I like the box right here. The box looks very nice. As you can see, you have the background right there, which I do kind of like as a background scene in Thailand. And at the front, you have the Porsche Taycan, which right out the bat, the box art looks pretty cool. I love the Porsche at the front right here. Nice detail on the right side of the box. It says 399 Mini GT Porsche Taycan Turbo S NaRaYa, and then you have a lot of elephants on the side. These like elephant designs on the side. Some more elephants design on the top of the box right there. Looks pretty cool. Like it. Mini GT right here, same thing on the other side as well. Yeah, moving on to the back. So yeah, there's that. If you want to see it right there, there you go, Porsche licensed product. So let's go ahead and open this one. I'm gonna show you that this one has a different sort of like blister compared to the others. So yeah, let's go ahead and see. And would you look at that, it came in a different blister. Now it is double covered, so like whatever you do, it doesn't like fall off. So grand opening, there you go. And now let us just take it out of the box. How do you put it back? There you go. So let's put it on the turntable and just look at that. That looks amazing. So if you don't know about this right now, NaRaYa is basically more of like a franchise that sells cosmetic bags and pouches, if I'm not mistaken, which are which has the like elephant sort of like design on the bags. I think so. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. But yeah, it applies on the car here. You have a lot of tiny elephant symbols on the car itself, as you can see. As designed, basically the whole car is covered in that sort of like elephant design, which I'm gonna show you right now. Let's go ahead and check it out. So you might remember I did a review of this Taycan Turbo S in that maroon red color, so you can go check that out if you want, or else stick to this video. And yeah, here it is, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S in this NaRaYa livery. As you can see, the side is filled with tiny elephants. There are a few big elephants right here, and it says NaRaYa at the front door right here. Pretty cool. You have this like bright yellow side window right here, side mirror, sorry. Moving on to the front, you have some headlights right there. You have a lot of elephants at the front right there. The hood is in this like dark brown, I think. It says NaRaYa right there. Some elephants over there as well. Pretty cool. Some like more yellow tiny stripes right there at the side right there, which are pretty cool. I kind of like it as well. The rims are basically like stock rims from Porsche themselves, but yeah, pretty cool. Oh, I forgot to show you the roof. There's the roof. Some more elephant details on the roof right there, pretty nice. And I forgot to show you the interior. The interior is more in that black color right there, which is pretty cool. Moving into the back, you have some more elephants throughout the back right here. There's just a lot of elephants right here. You have the rear lights right there, and it says Porsche, if you can see it. There you go. You have some more rear lights right there, which are pretty cool. Moving on to the base, Mini GT, made in China. Overall, The car seems pretty nice. I like the livery that it's using. Basically, it's so cool. But I'm just wondering, why did they pick NaRaYa, not anything else? I'm just quite curious about that. But still pretty cool. Overall, it is pretty nice. I like the whole livery that it has overall, and packaging is so cool as well. I like the front detailing for the box as well. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Porsche Taycan Turbo S NaRaYa edition. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.